Drones are changing the game across various industries, but security is a big concern. As we move into a digital-first world, drone technology offers both thrilling opportunities and serious risks. Today, we'll explore how drones are integrated into key sectors, plus we'll discuss why cybersecurity is more important than ever. Welcome to Embracing Digital this week. I'm Dr. Darren. In today's deep dive, we'll explore the latest in edge computing, covering the top stories for the week of October 12th, 2025. This week, we covered 3 fascinating articles. First, drones are now monitoring crowds at major events, and this is changing the way we approach public safety. Next, Walmart is rolling out drone deliveries. Their goal? Enhance customer satisfaction and boost efficiency. Finally, the agricultural sector is gearing up for a growing drone market. They're using drones to improve crop management, but as we embrace this technology, we must not overlook the critical need for strong cybersecurity measures. Drone technology is rapidly becoming essential across many sectors. This shows a big shift in how businesses operate. Using drones for crowd management at events is a major step forward for public safety. But this increased use also raises concerns. Drones can create security risks if not managed properly. As these technologies become widespread, organizations must tackle potential cyber threats. Take Walmart's new drone delivery service, for example. It could greatly boost efficiency in retail, but it needs strong cybersecurity measures. Each successful delivery depends on secure operations. Investing in protection is crucial. In agriculture, drones are set to create a multi-billion-dollar market. They assist farmers in monitoring crops and making informed decisions. Improved productivity hinges on the blend of technology and security, but the data these drones collect can be vulnerable to cyber threats. Managing these risks is essential as agriculture goes digital. Every drone innovation shows how industries can advance, but it also highlights the need for a solid cybersecurity strategy. Protecting sensitive data helps build public trust and encourages acceptance of digital transformation initiatives. Drone technology is changing the landscape for leadership roles. CIOs must focus on integrating drones into their operations. It's essential to ensure efficiency doesn't sacrifice safety. Meanwhile, CISOs need to create strong cybersecurity frameworks. These frameworks must address the unique threats drones present. Investing in security not only protects data, but also safeguards your organization's reputation. Governments have a role too. They should establish guidelines for safe drone operations. This keeps public safety a priority while encouraging technological growth. As businesses embrace drone technology, they face new risks. Unsecured drone operations can lead to data breaches. This exposes sensitive information and can have serious consequences. It threatens individual safety and company integrity. A single cyber incident can damage public trust. When customers lose confidence in data handling, business outcomes take a hit. Organizations must act proactively to mitigate these risks. Otherwise, they could jeopardize their digital transformation efforts. Embracing the drone revolution means taking clear, actionable steps. First up, conduct regular security audits of drone operations. This keeps your systems updated against new threats. Next, implement training programs for your staff on cybersecurity best practices. This helps create a culture of awareness. Remember, your employees are the first line of defense in protecting data. Finally, work with cybersecurity experts. Their insights can help you develop effective strategies for your unique challenges. By following these steps, businesses can confidently adopt drone technology and boost their cybersecurity. Drones are opening up amazing opportunities for innovation in many industries. But remember, focusing on cybersecurity is key to thriving in today's digital landscape. When companies take proactive steps, they build trust with customers. This not only secures operations, but also boosts efficiency. Join us next week for a wrap-up, and let's keep exploring digital transformation together. And that wraps up this week's deep dive on edge computing. I hope this breakdown gave you new insights and practical steps to consider. If you enjoyed this episode, please take a moment to give us 5 stars on your favorite podcast platform or YouTube. It really helps others discover the show. And if you'd like to go even further, join our exclusive community on Patreon, Embracing Digital, where we continue the conversation and share bonus content. Until next time, I'm Dr. Darren, reminding you to keep asking hard questions, keep exploring, and keep embracing the digital revolution.